呢個學生咧，我覺得咧，即係佢嗰個 cognitive 認知方面咧係有問題啊嚇，無論係記憶啊，或者係 recall 翻啲資料出嚟啊，或者嗰個 mental sharpness 啊，嗰個思維嗰個清晰度啊，都係好低嘅水平啊！咁佢喺學校咧，其實我已經係教到佢咧係最叻嗰幾個啦嚇，即係呢樣嘢咧就令到我咧就擔心，因為我其實係揾唔到個原因嚇，佢係糊裡糊塗咁樣啊，佢好似迷咗路咁樣嘅，係要碰下咁啊撞彩咁樣啊撞翻啱。今堂咧即係棘住佢嗰個咧，其實即係已經係之前嘅嘢嚟。I'm not teaching something new today, alright？ 今日唔係教新嘅嘢喎，係嗰兩個字，一個咧就係喺個 be 嗰個字轉落去，一個咧就係 has 啊或者 have 嗰度轉落去。咁我同佢講嗱，你咧如果唔明嘅話咧，你就翻到最原始狀態。翻到最原始狀態，好啦，咁你 be 係好多變化噶嘛？呢個 verb to be 啊，咁佢如果係現在式，可以係轉咗做 is 啦，可以轉咗做 are 啦，係嘛？如果你話 I am 啦，咁如果係過去式嘅話就 was 啦、were 啦，兩個啦。今日我哋講 perfect tense 啊嘛，仲係 focus on present perfect。佢有時就 get 到喎，但係A 一題做啱咗，跟住再下一題咧又做錯。好啦，咁你個 perfect tense 就係 be 就係如果係現在完成，我哋今日都係講現在完成，我費事講呢個過去完成啦嚇。單數兩個字啊嘛 ，has been， 複數 have been，is that easy 就係咁啦，就係咁嘅咋。好啦，咁嗰個另外嗰度嗰個 has 即係有啊嗰個字。你翻去最原始嘅狀態就係個 has 或者 have 啊嘛，現在式單數 has 啊，小學生嘅嘢嚟㗎，而家你係中三㗎啦，複數 I have 啦，係嘛 have 啦，因為現在式過去式冇分單眾數啊嘛 ，has 變成個 had，perfect tense 兩個字，單數 has had， 嗱呢邊咧 be 咧就 has been，has 咧就 has had。複數 have had。
We apologize for the error. Please note that the correct form is has had.
佢一係咧就搞唔掂呢個，一係就搞唔掂嗰個。好啦，咁啊寫個 perfect tense，寫一個字。I'll always miss you。我會永遠懷念你。Over the years。咁我已經解俾佢聽啦，咩叫 over the years 啊？多年來啊？咩叫多年來啊？This year is 2026. If you say over the years, you are talking about at least 5 years. 起碼咧就數翻去5年，咁就叫 over the years 啊，多年來。咁即係話咧2021，咁樣就叫 over the years 啊。2021年到2026年今年，多年來 past to present， 咁咪過去到現在咯，係嘛？過去到現在咁 present perfect 咯，我會永遠懷念你。咁多年嚟咧，我哋都玩得好開心。Bracket 就俾咗個 had 佢，過去到現在 we 啊嘛 ，OK 咁啊，最初係寫個 had， 跟住同佢講 perfect tense， 可以寫 has had， 係諗咗好耐啊。係諗咗好耐，係諗唔到唔緊要㗎嚇，冇得勉強嘅呢啲，即係佢嗰個學咗嘅嘢喺個腦嗰度，佢可能咧嗰啲好簡單嘛，對大部分人好簡單，一條嘢 ，it's just a cable， 咁佢可能佢喺呢度打晒裂，咁你要 retrieve 佢出嚟，打咗裂喎，咁你要解啊，要幫佢一路解啊。單數定眾數啊？咁啊解咗少少哦，眾數 we have 啊。咁啊 perfect tense 幾多個字啊？一個字定兩個字啊？又解少少啊。咁樣喎， 即係你一提咁簡單嘅嘢，一路好似同佢啦，要去 loosen and then 去 untie 嗰個 knot 喎，係咁啊。Normally speaking， 呢啲咁嘅英文，如果你話好似睇醫生咁，一劑藥搞掂，即刻去 clear 清晒嘅。Not with this one， 10次啦，有6、7次都要提佢 perfect tense 啊。點解你嗰個後面嗰個 PP 嗰個 past participle 通常 ED 尾噶嘛？點解會漏咗㗎？嗰啲 day 啊、U 啊、V 啊，後面冇機會用個單數㗎嘛，一定係 have 㗎啦。錯呢啲，並且佢要諗好耐，即係你一路望住佢 ，you are waiting for a simple answer，a very simple answer。但係你見到佢咧，佢就好似咧喺個迷宮嗰度，喺個 labyrinth 嗰度，左曲13彎咁至去揾到出嚟，或者揾唔到添。It's lost in it。嗰樣嘢對大部分人嚟講，其實就好似喺個腦袋入邊一個盒，一打開個盒就攞到出嚟啦。每個人嘅學習都唔同㗎，咁我覺得呢個係一個 obstacle 啦，我好棘手嘅呢單嘢嚇。我咁睇咯。You got to be patient. As long as 你每堂都嚟嘅話，你 turn up 嘅話，我可以為你 tailor made 去度身訂咗一啲咩 exercise 咯，不斷去做咯。佢係咁啊，佢好多活動嘅。咁但係我留意到咧，就係唔知點解咧，即係佢譬如佢去 camp 啦，咁可能有1個禮拜或者2個禮拜咧 ，literally 係 I'm not seeing him a lot。2個禮拜之後又翻嚟 pick up 一啲嘢，又好似咧退步咗啊！係啊，個腦入邊咧就係一個 labyrinth， 一個迷宮咁樣。咁得意嘅就係每次我哋睇到個成果，以為係 it's already a bird in your hand 啊，已經係胸有成竹噶啦，已經係到手啦。啊，點知 next time， 咦又唔見咗嘅，又冇咗嘅，又要再從頭嚟過，又係 as confounded as before， 又係同之前咁混亂嘅嚇。This is a difficult case. This is one difficult case for Peter.